पण विचारत नाही तो. So oil, yes, because of oil cost. So advantages means it is having excellent cooling. How it is excellent cooling? Because of the decomposition of oil develops gas, hydrogen gas, especially this gas is having better cooling property and it cools the arc and cleans the arc. Hydrogen gas and oil itself is having good dielectric strength, so insulation in between these contacts of circuit breaker is good. This is not under forceful action, so current chopping is minimum. Cooling is there, so inside the chamber you may have cooled surface. Cooling of surface पाहतो म्हणा, cooling of surface and cooling of arc. Then no air pollution. And some disadvantages are also there. Risk of fire is there. कधी uncontrolled decomposition of the gas असेल तर, decomposition of oil and uncontrolled जर gas असेल तर it may be inflammable, तो बाहेर आला तर risk of fire is there. Heavy pressure inside the chamber of arc extinction increase, there may be chances of explosion. Carbonization may be there because of carbon emission. Regular maintenance necessary. Oil replacement, oil purification for dielectric strength maintain is required. Transport of oil is required. So all these cases are there. Though these are disadvantages, you can overcome all. या सगळ्या डिसएडव्हान्टेजेस वर आपण मात करू शकतो. लक्षात येते का? असं काही नाहीये, पण लिहिताना आपण लिहिलं इथे. ओके, गुड. So next point of discussion, that is we are having the circuit breaker used in HT. This diagram is shown to you. Now with this some discussion we will move to circuit breakers, different types of circuit breakers. So HT circuit breakers. So normally this is what diagram is showing you. This is a particularly arc. Inside the circuit breaker contacts are separated. This is fixed contact, this is moving contact, arc is get struck in between this, and you are having the transformer oil filled inside the chamber. And you can see the hydrogen bubble or hydrogen gas is surrounding the arc, so it is cooling the arc. Okay. So this circuit breaker, ST circuit breaker, especially used transformer oil for arc quenching media. Okay. These circuit breaker contacts are always immersed in the transformer oil. When circuit breaker contact gets separated, get opened, arc gets struck in between the contact. When this arc gets struck in between the contact, the same time oil in that region which is get decomposed because of the heavy arc and temperature, and the hydrogen gas bubbles get developed, okay, and they are covering the arc like this. They quench the arc, they cool the arc. This hydrogen gas having high conductivity, so it decomposes, deionizes the arc, arcing particles, and cools the arc. It also produces turbulence that pushes the arc away, certain pressure that pushes the arc away from the contacts of the circuit breaker. So it increases the length of arc, so lengthening of arc will be there, increasing resistance of the arc will be there, sweeping or swept away the arcing particles from the contact is also there, and increasing of dielectric strength of arc is also contacts media in between the circuit breaker, or the medium in between the circuit breaker contact is there. So because of this, arc get cooled, arc get deionized, arc get swept away, and finally arc get quenched, and opening operation of circuit breaker will take place. This simple thing. happens inside the circuit breaker. Any doubt? Okay. So bulk coil circuit breaker. This is a plain bulk coil circuit breaker. The diagram is visible to you. BOCB. BOCB means bulk coil circuit breaker. So this is a plain bulk coil circuit breaker. Okay. Why it is called as a bulk coil circuit breaker? It carries large quantity of oil. Bulk amount of oil is used. So it is bulk oil circuit breaker. Oil is used for two properties, that quenching the arc and or extinguishing of arc and insulating the conducting particles. Okay. So bulk oil circuit breaker, you may have plain bulk coil circuit breaker, two types, and another is arc controlled bulk coil circuit breaker. So this is a plain bulk coil circuit breaker. This is a plain bulk coil circuit breaker. In this diagram you have see. In this particular bulk coil circuit breaker construction, you can see it consists of weather tight tank, weatherproof tank, okay, as shown in the figure. The fixed contact, and these are the fixed contacts. Double break आहे ते, one break another break, so it is called double break plain OCB. These are the fixed contact. Okay, these are the conductors, these are the contacts, and this is moving contact. Okay, fixed contacts and moving contacts, they are kept inside the tank. This oil circuit breaker tank is earthed properly. Entire tank is filled with oil up to the certain level, so that these fixed and moving contacts will be entirely immersed inside the oil. You can see he level आहे, हे contact पूर्णपणे they are operating inside the oil. Okay, and top side you are having the air present, air cushion त्याला आपण म्हणतो. Okay, this is operating mechanism. This is operating mechanism rod. This is earthing provided to this, and this is oil. So all parts you can see easily. Okay, two contacts are provided so that you may have less transient. Double break, two contacts किंवा म्हणजे इथे तुमचे arc get divided or arc current get divided into two part. So transient current will be less, restriking voltage will be less. इथंच तुम्ही 50% शर्यत जिंकलेला. रेट ऑफ राइज ऑफ डायइलेक्ट्रिक स्ट्रेंथची जी रेस आहे, बाय considering two breaks, double break, you have reduced the restriking voltage. Okay, it is get distributed over the two contacts, so it will be half. Transient will be half, restriking voltage will be half, that appears across the contacts of the circuit breaker. So these are the advantages. Okay, and distance of separation also get reduced. Okay, the arc length is get doubled because of two separations are there, and this entirely inside the arc extinction chamber किंवा inside the oil. Under normal operating condition, this moving contact is in upward direction. So you have understood the construction. In operation, this is closed. Okay, and they are carrying normal current. But when fault occurs, that is sensed by the trip circuit of relay. The command will be given to the trip circuit. Trip circuit will energize the trip coil of the circuit breaker. Okay. Okay, so this will give operation of the mechanism, this operating rod. So mechanism will start. It may be motoring, it may be hydraulic, it may be a pneumatic, any type of operation, it may be a spring charged. This will increase the pressure to move the moving contact get detached from the fixed contact. And when moving contact get detached from the fixed contact, moving contact comes down, there is a R get struck in between the contacts. This then vyavasthit. Okay. R get struck in between the contact. Okay. Then the oil between the contact, the arc and the oil. So you may have, you know that there is oil, immediately the oil get inserted in between the gap of the contact. When moving contact get detached, the oil start decomposition because of the heavy temperature of the arc, and hydrogen gas bubbles are developed, which we have seen earlier here, which surround the contacts of the circuit breaker. Deionization will take place between the media of the contact. Rate of rise of dielectric strength will be there. If it is more than that of rate of rise of restriking voltage across the contact, then there is a possibility of arc extinction, and normally it happens. Contacts and circuit breakers are designed accordingly. Okay, the arc get extinguished. The hydrogen gas bubble, which also produces heavy pressure inside the oil. Okay, so they swept away the arcing particles also and increases the dielectric strength. Normally the air is present here inside this to allow expansion and contraction of oil. Because of the production of the hydrogen gas, the heavy pressure, the oil level may get increased, and heavily increment in the oil level may cause explosion of this chamber. So air cushions are provided. They are allow expansion and contraction of oil inside the circuit breaker. Okay. Normally disadvantage of this, all advantages we know those advantages with oil circuit breaker, but here major disadvantage is you are in need of bulk oil. Large quantity of oil is required. याच्यामध्ये प्लेन ऑइल सर्किट ब्रेकर मध्ये देर इज नो एनी पर्टिक्युलर प्रोविजन मेड फॉर द आर्क विंचिंग. So long time arc winching time is large. Circuit breaker operation time is large. High speed operation or high speed interruption is not there. Arc interruption of extension will be only takes place by increasing the length between the contacts. Okay, and that is especially done by double break, and therefore these circuit breakers are having limited operations up to 11 kV or maximum up to 22 kV. Okay, not more than that. Have you understood this?